a world-class ranch near world-class skiing and fly fishing, immersed within a wild and private setting, is virtually impossible to find until now. The 480-acre Dancing Bear Ranch lies on the gentle slopes of the jagged Madison Range, with views across the valley to the Spanish Peaks, and just minutes down the Jack Creek Valley are the legendary fly fishing waters of the Madison River. Located within an hour and a half of Bozeman, Montana, and just minutes to the six-shooter lift at Big Sky Resort, one of the largest ski areas in the United States, and Ennis, Montana, the capital of fly fishing. The Dancing Bear Ranch is a very private, four-season family retreat, offering the very finest in a spectrum of activities, from concerts and festivals to mountain biking and horseback riding. In the winter, the slopes at Big Sky are uncrowded. There are miles and miles of groomed slopes and steep chutes to challenge every member of the family. The ski touring and snowmobiling on the ranch is fantastic, and you won't see another person all day. When the winter snows melt and the slopes explode in wildflowers, it's time to put the skis and snowmobiles away and enjoy mountain biking on the trails interlaced throughout the ranch. Or, if you prefer, a leisurely horseback ride amongst the evergreens and aspen groves. The hiking is wonderful for young families, and there are plenty of dramatic vistas to enjoy. For the sportsman, there is fly fishing on Jack Creek, a busy mountain stream, and just down the valley is the world-famous Madison River. The hunting for deer and elk is some of the finest in the West, and you'll be the only one in the woods. When it's time to relax, the beautifully designed and artfully crafted home is both an intimate, cozy place for two, or a wonderful place for your family and friends to gather and have fun. The ranch is a holiday tradition waiting to happen. Dancing Bear Ranch is a sanctuary surrounded by wild alpine privacy where a very fortunate family can come to build memories, enjoy new adventures, and learn about nature while appreciating each other. Come see for yourself at the Dancing Bear Ranch.